Hello, I wanted to show you this here website called MyPCKey.com. It is a great resource to buy authentic Microsoft licenses and even other products too. So what we're going to do, we're going to look here through their website and just show you what all they have to offer here. So we've got Microsoft Office is one of the key products here because you always have to update eventually. Either your OS doesn't support the version you initially bought, or it's just that time. When you buy one of these and you don't get the Microsoft 365 service, then you do have to update and buy a full license each time, where the 365 will update automatically if you keep subscribing every year, of course. So what we're going to look at is just like, let's say I want to go buy this. They've got Office Key for Mac, and I'm on a Mac right now here, or Office 2024, which is the latest. Mac or Windows, both. So let's look at Office Key for Mac. So this will show you can get Home version 2021 or 2024. This is a great deal here. So amazing deal. Basically, you would add this to your cart and you would check out. So let's say checkout. Let's say we're going to get one. Let's see. This is also good Windows and Mac, so it's good for either one. Checkout, and this is only to go on one computer too, so you know that. So here's the checkout. You'll put in all your information. I'm not going to do all that, but you see all your payment options too here. So yeah, there is, let's see here, 106.70 is the grand total, and it's on sale right now. I don't know if you noticed, but there was like a 65% off discount. Actually, if we go back and get out of the cart, it might have been more than that even. Oh, and I don't know if this will be a thing when you do this, but you can also use a coupon code for 10% off MyPCKey here. So yeah, do that at checkout. Just put that code in. Of course, who knows, this might change later on, but this is something to be aware of when you check out. So let's see. You would copy that code. Let's go back to this cart. Check out. See, have a coupon. You would put that code in here. Apply coupon. Oh, it didn't apply to that product. Okay, you can still try it with whatever product you are getting, but it doesn't work on this here Office product. So yeah, but still something good to know. Okay, they've got other stuff too here, like Windows 11. Everyone needs to update to Windows 11 right now. This is some cheap codes here for OEM keys and retail keys too. So that's great. Same process. You'll get a code through email. So yeah, that's how it works. Let's see here. What else? We've got different softwares here linked in, like coupons, basically discounts on their premium subscriptions on LinkedIn. Yeah, there's different AI tools. Let's look at this. Okay, CapCut Pro, it's out of stock. But a lot of these here, other softwares are like discounts on premium subscriptions, basically. So yeah, that's how those work. They do have support on here. Chat using WhatsApp or this phone number here. So that's good. WhatsApp there, or Telegram too. You can also chat right on the website there, right down here. Probably it's somewhat AI driven, but you might then get to a real person there. Next time you need something, get a quote, look at this site, compare it to others. I will put the link to this site in the video description, but of course it's just MyPCKey.com, so that's pretty easy to type in. Alright, thanks for watching today. Remember to like this video if you did like it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.